Daisy's Wildflower Roundup.
Tally! Wahoo! I'm the Nature Cut Kid, a cowpoke in the Wild West, and I'm looking for a wild nature adventure, I reckon.
Just call me Sitting Out and Squeaks, and I'm always looking for a wild nature adventure.
Nay, 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 nay. Hal, don't you want to be an authentic Western cowpoke?
Nope, I want to be an authentic Western horse poke.
You gotta love Hal. Hey, where's Daisy?
Somebody looking for me?
Wild Daisy Knack!
And I know exactly what our Wild West adventure's gonna be.
What?
Today, we're gonna look for something really wild. Wild horses?
Wild buffalo?
Wild unicorns?
Nope, none of those wild things. Today, we're looking for wild flowers. Daisy, how can flowers be wild as a flower? How can flowers be wild? Man, oh man, wildflowers can grow without anyone even planting them.
No!
Oh yeah, and those flowers can grow almost anywhere. That's what makes them so wild. Now let's go on a wildflower roundup. Yeehaw!
Yeehaw!
So what wildflowers are we looking for today, Wild Daisy Knick-Knack? We're gonna round up 3 of the wildest wildflowers this side of the Mississippi. Okay, actually both sides. And the first wildflower is this here buttercup.
Oh, buttercups. Well, if there's buttercups, then cheese cups can't be too far away, right? Where's the cheese cups? Cheese. Cheese.
Nope, we're rounding up a buttercup.
Ooh, look at the 5 shiny yellow petals, like a sheriff's badge.
Yep, those 5 shiny yellow petals will help us know if we've got the right flower. Now come on, cowpokes. Time to find us some wildflowers. Yeehaw!
Yeehaw! Where to, Wild Daisy?
Well, says here that you can find buttercups in the meadows.
Okay, then.
Wagon train, ho!
Yeehaw!
Anybody see a buttercup yet?
Not yet, buckaroo, but keep your eyes peeled. That buttercup could be anywhere.
Ooh, I see a yellow flower over yonder.
Is it a buttercup?
All right, well, let's see here. This flower has 5 yellow petals.
Man, oh man, it's not a buttercup. Look, the leaves are different. Aww.
We've searched this entire meadow, Wild Daisy, and there's nary a buttercup to be found, I reckon.
Well, it says here that buttercups can be found almost anywhere. Huh. You know, the other day I think I saw some yellow flowers growing out of the sidewalk.
The sidewalk? That's impossible, Squeaks. Flowers can't grow out of the sidewalk.
No, it's true. I'll show you. Behold, the yellow flowers growing out of the sidewalk.
How do they do that?
Well, I reckon there's enough dirt in that crack for the seed to take root. Now, let's see if this here flower is a buttercup.
Let's see. It has 5 shiny yellow petals, and the leaves look just like the ones in the picture.
Boy, howdy. These here are buttercups. Yeehaw!
Yeehaw! What are we waiting for? Let's pick 'em.
Whoa, hold it right there, bushwhacker.
Don't you mean flower whacker?
Yeah, that too.
What's wrong, Daisy?
We don't pick wildflowers.
Daisy, why not?
Because a flower is the part of the plant that makes it possible for another plant to grow next year. The flowers make seeds. So if we pick this buttercup, there may not be any buttercups here next year.
Well, if we're not going to pick the wildflowers, then how are we going to get the wildflowers?
We're gonna do what all good cowpokes do. We're gonna draw. All right, Nature Cat Kid, give me a ready, set, draw.
Ready? Set! Draw!
Wow!
How'd you do that so fast?
Wild Daisy Knick-Knack is the fastest draw in the West. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Now it's time for the next flower in our roundup, the blue violet.
blue violet has 5 blue petals.
No, and the leaves are heart-shaped. Oh, I love you, Blue Violet.
Says here that blue violets can be found in damp places, maybe near a river or lake. So let's mosey on over to the river. Yee-haw!
We haven't seen a blue violet anywhere. This is hard.
I understand. If you like wildflowers so much, why don't you just grow them in your own garden?
I tried, but those horn-swaggling flowers wouldn't grow where I wanted them to grow. It seems you just can't tame them. Those wildflowers were born to be wild.
No, this is hopeless. We'll never find the Blue Violet.
Balderdash! Cowpokes never give up. They check their phones for more clues instead. Says here orange fritillary butterflies deposit their eggs on blue violets. So if we want to find the blue violet, we just need to follow an orange butterfly that has black spots.
Okay, fellow cowpokes, keep those eyes peeled and stay focused.
Focused.
Tiddly-dee, tiddly-dee, tiddly-dee.
How you looking?
Nope, just frolicking with this here orange butterfly. Tiddly-dee, tiddly frolic. Wait.
Orange, black spots. It's the butterfly.
Yeehaw!
Giddy up, Hal, you authentic Western horse poke. Follow that butterfly.
Don't let it get away, Hal.
I'm trying.
That little butterfly is above those wildflowers.
Is it the blue violet?
It has 5 petals on the flower.
And its leaves are shaped like cute hearts.